second part of my Windows 2030 skills test, I will show you how to use the Windows Server Backup. The first thing that you need to do is have a second hard drive installed or set one up on your virtual machine. You also need to go into administrative tools, computer management, and disk management, and make sure that that hard drive is allocated and online. See right here we have our primary, and then we have the new volume, which is a healthy partition too, so we just want to make sure that it's formatted and everything. If it's a new one, you will have to go in here and do this. Okay, and for the next thing you need to do, you need to go, the second thing you will want to do is go into your server manager. I don't have it pulled up here. You will need to go down to features, add features, and you want to add Windows Service Backup. Click next and install. This will install your Windows Server Backup, or the Windows Backup has installed. The next thing you need to do is to perform your first backup. So go to Start, Administrative Tools, and Windows Server Backup. Now it shows you that there is no backup configured for this computer, and you can go in, you can schedule your backup or whatever. For this purpose, we're just going to do backup once. So click backup once. And now we're going to create, click next here. We're going to create our backup. For this purpose, I'm not going to do the full server. I'm going to do a custom. And click next. Here you want to make sure that your E drive is not selected. You just want to back up the C drive. Okay, choose the type of storage for the backup. We're going to use a local drive, which is going to be a local disk. Here it just gives you the specifics of your destination drive. And here is your volume shadow copy service. We're going to keep it on the recommended setting. And it tells you your backup items, the destination, and click backup. And now Windows Server will perform the backup. Now that the Windows backup is complete, I'm going to simulate a file getting deleted or just losing a file, and that way we can go in and restore it and show you how that works. I'm going to go into the C drive, the test file that we used earlier. We're going to delete the whole folder. Okay, now that's deleted. We'll go back into Windows Server Backup. Now, to say your computer crashed, you lost that file, go into Recover. Okay, you're going to do it on this server. Click next. This gives you the date of the backup. Click next. We're going to recover files and folders. This will give you the available items on this server. This gives you a list of all the files. The one we're going to restore is the test folder, which has the document in it. So click next. We're going to put it into its original location, create copies, and restore security settings. Click next. And now we will click recover. Now that the file has restored, we will close this and go in and make sure that it's restored the file. Close this out. Go back into your C drive. And there it is. You can see that the file is restored. It's just, you will have to go in and reshare it. and it contains your document. There you go. That concludes my video on Windows Server Backup.